Guys, I've got a tool for you that's going to blow your mind, okay? We're going to be searching for phone numbers with the new Lead Sniper tool. So let's get straight into this right now. So what you want to do, guys, is go over to your extension. Now it's installed, okay? Click on your extension and type in the keyword. Now the keyword could be anything, okay? Coffee shop in and the place that you want to do it. Okay, this could be gas station in, this could be anything you want. It's gonna open up a new tab on the Google search, and it's gonna start scraping through all these businesses to find you them exact keywords. Guys, you can literally get hundreds, thousands, there's no cap, all right? It will keep going until it's searched every keyword you've written in. The only thing you've got to do is be able to spell, all right? And if you can't do that, just copy and paste it. So guys, once this is doing it, it's gonna get all the leads for you, and I'm gonna show you exactly how to export it and get it perfectly formatted. All right, so now they're all done, guys. What you want to do is click export at the bottom left. What that's going to do is bring up this menu, click download a CSV. Very important, you click download a CSV. It's going to download it to your computer, and you want to drag it into a Google Drive folder. Simple, just make an open folder with nothing else in it and drag it in. Once it's in there, you're going to open it. Whether you double click or you right click, it doesn't matter. But what you need to do is make sure that once you've done that, you open it with Google Sheets. This is the most important bit because this format right now is going to be perfect for you. Look at this. So you've got everything, okay? The keyword, the title, the URL, the phone, the email, the Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram. All these different things, all these different businesses that you need. Okay, guys, I know we're looking for phone numbers right now, so I will show you exactly how many we managed to get. Okay, it's incredible, guys, how fast this tool works to get you all this information that you would have to get yourself. So phone numbers, let's actually scroll down and find out how many. You can see there's some gaps there because some people don't have their phone numbers online. All right, but if it's in the public domain, we can get them. Scrolling down these numbers, let's see how many we can count in total. Guys, keep going down. How long would this have took you if you did it yourself? Even if you got an assistant to do it, this would have took you so long, right? We've managed to do this in minutes. Look how many there is. It's incredible, right? I can't explain to you how well this tool is helping businesses all around the world right now. Even small businesses starting up. These are things that you don't need to spend big money on when you can get a tool like this to do it for you. Okay, guys? So as we get to the bottom, you'll see we have literally hundreds going into the thousands of numbers done in minutes for you. If you go over here where it says sum, I'm going to show you the total count. Okay, the total count is 2,225. That's ridiculous, guys. Now, guys, how do you download this Google Search Scraper? Go over to leadsniper.com, product, and go to the Google Search Scraper. Scroll all the way down the new tab that is open, and it will show you exactly all the information of what it will extract. Okay, but to buy this, you need to go to the bottom, past the videos, past the sheets, all the way to where it says which subscription would you like to choose. Now, with a lifetime access, a one-time payment of $149, you will get the extension for one installation on the starter pack. Okay, click buy now. If you want the popular pack, get the $267 one-time purchase, remember, for 5 installations. Now, guys, if you want to be fantastic like me, get the $389 pack because that gets you the best value out there, and you get 10 extensions in total plus all the features that we spoke about. Simple as that. Just click buy now or scroll down to download the free version to try it out right there at the bottom. There you go, guys. Do me a massive favor and hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified, hit the link down below to get the tool, and have a great day.